You've timed it well. Welcome back to Alfie. Come on, Alfie. Here he is. Thanks a lot. He always does it. He's here, aren't you? Oh dear me. We're going to be making these today. The mock animals. Oh dear. So, come and join us. Thank you. Doesn't really matter what size, round, it doesn't, any size. They've been misshaped, anything. I've done all sorts. I mean, these ones have been big, little, small, as long as they're like a smooth shape. And I've painted them yellow for the bee and pillar box red. There it is, pillar box red for the ladybird. Then with just an acrylic paint, because we are actually going to seal them at the end with the water seal paint. I did buy the big one because I'm going to use it for forever. It was quite expensive, but with every project I do water seal them all right at the end. It doesn't really matter, as long as it's crafting, it's your project. It doesn't have to be perfect. So don't ever worry about, oh, it's got to be this, it's got to be that. It doesn't, it's your project. So, and I just tend to sweep around in a semicircle. And that's it. That's a big bee with a big stripe. And then he's going to have another big stripe. Okay. Push your brush out. Leave that a while. These are Prosecco paint pens, and they come in a set. They are actually 3mm. I'm hoping Santa, and this is a fun bit because I must admit I do have a shaky hand, but ladybirds have a line down the middle. There we go. And then you can either do it with paint or just do little circles. Get these googly eyes in pound shops or home bargains, and so whichever size that you think. Just try and stick these on. There we go. Larry the ladybird. Thank you for joining us today. Really do appreciate it. We're going to do something totally different next week. Something hopefully you'll really like. It is one of my favourites. I made it for a friend and she really liked it. So we look forward to seeing you then. Thank you. Be kind to each other and happy crafting!